Hello YouTube, my name is Fashid and today I'm gonna show you how to replace or just replace the batteries of Aorus wristband JBL Partybox 1000. And it's a bit difficult, it's a bit challenging. Just for me it was challenging, and now that's why, by the request of one of our subscribers, I'm making this video to show you how to replace. Opening the cap is a bit difficult. Okay, so as you can see, I have already damaged the cap, but it's not a big deal. Okay, so what we need the pliers and a coin, and that's it. So first I was trying just to do that by hand, by forcing just to open it, but it was impossible to do that. That's why I damaged the spot. Now I'm showing you just how to do that with the plier, because it's strong enough. Okay, so and you have more power just to do that. You should take this out, this part from the silicone band. You should take this out, keep it tight. Okay, so and like this, clockwise. You have to switch it like this. Switch it until I turn it on by mistake. See, and there is a small triangle just there. If you can see, there's a small triangle there. I'm not sure if you see that. Okay, yeah, there. You should turn this to about the 12 o'clock. Yeah, that. And now we need a pin. I'm using a knife. You should remember, it should stay like this. Just wait a moment, just like this. The triangle is there. And with the help of using a knife, we can take this out. Remove the batteries and replace them. And again, for putting them back, you should do this. Check the gap, yeah, exactly by the triangle. You put it here. For me, it's opposite side of the barcode, the sticker barcode. So you put it there. It goes down, and again, you should go clockwise. That's it. Thanks for watching the video, but just make sure you don't damage this like I did.